Hey, baby girl.
I'm eating snow cone.
What? Oh, you're eating a snow cone and eating some chips?
Strawberry coconut flavor.
Mommy make you a raspa from here, from the truck.
What about the jasmine? Look at this.
You see, where's Jasmine?
Right here.
What are you
This
doing,
is
Jasmine?
strawberry coconut, and it's ice cream.
Wow,
Ice
the snow cone. This is the snow cone truck of Hazel. All her little stuff from her little mobile store. These are all the snow cones, ice cream that she has flavored. She has raspas in there, a little window to get some air. Little camera there, and the stop for the children. Nobody runs over the kiddos. And more stickers on this side. Speaker there. More stickers there. And here she's got the video, the surveillance camera monitors there. There's 3 cameras inside the truck. One there, one back there, and one on the outside. Children crossing sticker there, in case kids are, and also some more alerts in case the kids are walking across the street. There's a video camera there, facing towards the back. There's a monitor right there. There's a freezer right there. Got your display there. Got a hidden shelf up there. Got your air conditioning. Got your ice chest. Got all your bottles of food there. Flavors. Here's the camera right there.
You just
Your
go
ice
with
chest.
the one here and outside.
Yeah.
On the freezer handle. And then
Yeah.
this is the ice cream.
That's all the ice cream there in the freezer there.
Jasmine, don't put anywhere. Jasmine, look, you make anywhere.
There's Tarzell again. Eating everything.
See, you're making a mess, Jasmine.
Are those chips good? There's your candy necklace, your Popeye sticks, Neil's gum, Fun Dip, Candy's candy.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama.
Green Chinese candy, bubbles. You just hit that same button to stop.